compared to the second method, that is by using a regular expression. So first we are going to import our library, that is import re. After that we are going to initialize our string, and in which we are going to use an re.fundle method over here. So what this method is going to do is it's going to extract everything except the special characters from our string, and it's going to store those values into the list number 1, and we have them as an output. The slash plus w, the slash w plus value over here, what it's going to do is it tends to be for an alphanumeric value, that is it's going to search for this alphabets and as well as the numericals, and it's going to extract them and it's going to store it into the list number 1, and we have them as an output.